Traditionally, the piece with solid and oily residues undergoes 4 processes. Cleaning. In the first stage, to remove contaminants, alkaline products based on caustic soda are almost always applied, with high-pressure jets heated to around 60 degrees Celsius. Then the rinsing process begins with water or with additional chemicals to remove any residue. A protective fluid based on hydrocarbons is applied, mostly supplemented with isoparaffin. In the final stage, the pieces go through drying, but the MVAqua 203 degreaser came to innovate in this scenario. We provide a 3-in-1 action, where cleaning, rinsing, and protection occur simultaneously in a single operation. This is possible thanks to VActive, our proprietary corrosion-resistant technology that uses water as an ally in the protection process and propagation of its active corrosion inhibitor. MVAqua 203 allows us to innovate with simultaneous operations, reducing the number of stages from 4 to 2. It complies with Technical and Safety Standards NRs 15, 16, and 20. International Cleanliness Standards, ISO 16232 and VDA 19.1. International Chemical Restriction Standards such as REACH, DBL, VDA, among others. It also generates lower environmental and labor liabilities by not containing hydrocarbons of mineral origin. Lower disposal cost. Additionally, it provides greater safety and well-being for operators. Please contact us to learn more.
VCI Brazil Integrated Anti-Corrosive Solutions.